Dear Ilham Tohti, we wish you a happy birthday and pray that you are safe and sound wherever you are. May Allah bless you. You are an inspiration to not only millions of Uyghurs, but also to the oppressed communities around the world. You're the torchbearer resistance against brutal Chinese regime. We extend our solidarity in the struggle to push down CCP. You're suffering for the sake of millions of persecuted people and for saving the future generations. We are thankful for you for raising your voice against the enemy so powerful. Yet you're standing so strong, fighting hard for the humanity. May God bless you and your family and give strength and courage in these tough times. Say no to CCP and no to oppression.